Welcome to Imagine Scholarships, your one-stop platform for scholarships, internships, and college admission success. Let's walk through how to get the most out of the site in just a few simple steps. Step 1, if you haven't already, start by signing up for the platform. Choose from several flexible payment options to get started on your journey to success. Step 2, head to Membership Home, the heart of Imagine Scholarships. This is where you'll find all the good stuff. Explore scholarships, internships, and hundreds of videos guiding you through the admissions process and how to win scholarships. You'll also discover our career library, helpful publications, discussion boards, and interactive tools like the scholarship tracker and budgeting calculator. Step 3, don't forget to check out the store for additional resources, including courses and management tools to help streamline the scholarship and college admissions process. Step 4, dive into our blog, packed with valuable tips and information for students, parents, college coaches, and educators. Step 5, use these amazing resources to your advantage. To maximize your success, aim to apply for 3 to 5 scholarships every week. Consistency is key. Imagine Scholarships is here to help you achieve your dreams. There is a free version and a premium version, as well as courses and other resources to help you be successful. Sign up today and start unlocking the opportunities that await.